Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video I'm going to cover 8 organic and natural fertilizers you can add to your garden. I'm all about living a natural lifestyle that's free of chemical products. So let's get started. Number 1. Worm castings. I have a lot of earthworms in my garden and my raised beds. However, I mainly keep earthworms in these 2 totes in my backyard, and I feed kitchen scraps to them and they make me black gold, which is worm castings. Worm castings contain live enzymes and nutrients. Worm castings also encourage microbial activity in the soil. Earthworms aerate the soil and make the soil loose for roots to grow deep. If you do not already have earthworms in your garden, you can order some online or get some from a friend. The earthworms you should get are red wiggler earthworms. These worms do really well in confined spaces and are very easy to keep in your garden. Earthworms can eat half their body weight in a day, which all turns into organic fertilizer. Number 2. Cow manure. You can pick up cow manure in bags like these from Home Depot or Lowe's, or you can just contact your local dairy and pick up cow poo right from there. Deer manure and cow manure has been used by our ancestors throughout the century, and it doesn't even matter which part of the world we are from. All of our ancestors has used cow dung to fertilize their gardens. Cow manure should be added to your garden at least 30 days before adding your plants. Cow manure contains good nutrients and live bacteria needed for your vegetable garden to grow. Number 3. Chicken manure. Chicken manure makes a great fertilizer. Chicken manure is high in nitrogen and also contains potassium and phosphorus. Raw chicken manure can contain a lot of nitrogen and can burn plants, so it is best to age chicken manure or compost the chicken manure before adding to your garden. Number 4. Fish meal and bone meal. Fish fertilizers use the unusable part of fish to make fertilizer from fish bones, scales, and skin. These byproducts would otherwise go to waste. Fish fertilizers provide an organic source of burn-free nitrogen to the plants. I use the Darn Good fertilizer by Great Big Plants, which contains fish meal, bone meal, and feather meal. Number 5. Hot compost. You can make your own hot compost by combining green and brown materials. Mix brown materials such as dead leaves with grass clippings. Layer the brown and green material like a lasagna to make the compost pile. Water the pile completely when done. Keep the pile moist by watering the pile every 2 to 3 days and turn the pile every 4 to 6 days. The pile heats up and all the organic matter starts to decompose quickly. After 2 months, the hot compost will be ready. I made a detailed video on how to make hot compost. Check it out if you're interested. Number 6. Compost tea. You can also make your own compost tea to feed organic rich fertilizer to your plants. Just soak grass clippings and any green material from your garden in a bucket full of water for 3 to 5 days. After about 5 days, filter the water into a can and water your plants with the compost tea. If you do not want to make your own compost tea, you can buy ready-made compost tea extract from Great Big Plants. Compost tea provides readily available nutrients to plants, and your plants will absolutely love a serving of compost tea. Number 7. Coffee grounds. Coffee grounds break down very easily, and they are natural pest deterrent, and they smell really good. Coffee grounds add organic material to the soil and improve water retention in the soil. Fresh coffee grounds are acidic, however, used coffee grounds are neutral in pH. You can pick up coffee grounds from your local coffee shop or Starbucks, and they'll be happy to give you the coffee grounds. You can add coffee grounds directly to your garden or add coffee grounds to your hot compost. Number 8. Eggshells. Eggshells are rich in calcium. Save eggshells from your kitchen and then crush the eggshells to add to your garden. Crushed eggshells are a natural pest deterrent and help you neutralize the pH balance in the soil as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can use some of these natural and organic fertilizers in your garden. It's all about growing food in a natural way. It's nature's way of life, and I'll see you in another video.